and including 17 signature suites. Most of our signature suites are taken now, but I have one available. And what I am suggesting is to show you one entry-level room category, one entry-level suite category, and one of these signature suites.
Super. How beautiful.
Thank you.
So it's like you stay in your Parisian
Parisian and lift, yeah.
Parisian house.
Absolutely. It is a Parisian house for a customer. So let me show you one deluxe room. It is the entry-level room category. Service. Please be welcome. It's the deluxe room. Totally new. Totally brand new.
So when you finish all renovation?
Last year, in December, a couple months ago. So in fact, the idea with this new style of room is to now target a new generation of customer. We are looking to target the millennials generation. For that, we have to change the rules. We have to be more lighting, more fresh, more elegant, more contemporary, but as well keep the classic DNA. With here, you will have a view over the Georges V Street. Of course, now we are only on the second floor, but you can imagine that from the fifth floor, you will easily find a view over the Eiffel Tower. All the bathroom has been made with both tube and shower. We set in every room the very famous Dyson air dryer. Very useful for a customer. You will have a TV in the mirror. What is very useful for our Russian family is that, for example, this one is a connecting room. And we can connect this room with one suite, for example.
So you have new design of bags?
Absolutely. You have a good memory. And for example, here you can easily accommodate 2 adults and 2 children with a converted sofa bed. But this can be connecting with a suite where you can accommodate as well 2 adults and 2 children easily. So all the full family can stay in this interconnecting room. Let me show you the connecting room.